Get started on your first hike. Pack the fun. Here's the last video in our series. As your hikes get longer, you will want to make sure you pack the fun. Here are 10 items to consider as you get started on your first hike. 1. Pack snacks that you enjoy. To get through a hike, sometimes the best treats are treats you don't allow yourself when at home. To motivate our brood, we pack gummy worms and candy fruit slices. What would you pack as a delicious treat? Number 2. Binoculars are great for little and adult hikers. Little hikers are provided something to do while you never know when you see something in the distance and want to take a closer look. 3. Pack your favorite drink. Some to consider are Arnold Palmer, coffee, Gatorade. Don't take too much, and remember, water is best. Drink packets are also a good alternative. Number 4. Make sure you have something to talk about. If you are hiking with others, it is good to consider what conversation you want to discuss. A good discussion will pass the time and the hike will feel easier. Number 5, if there is a viewpoint or place you plan to stop and rest, a book can be a good reason to reach your destination and give you a good reward for exercising. 6, definitely take cameras if you are into photography. You never know what you will see on the trail. We still have 4 more to go. Subscribe to our channel now, as we'll be posting weekly and you don't want to miss what is next. 7, depending on the trail, a frisbee or small toy like a yo-yo or pop socket could be useful to pass the time. Number 8, if you are into music, take your favorite tunes with you. Be mindful of others on the trail and use headphones, or keep the volume low. Number 9, if you are hiking by yourself, a podcast is a great way to multitask and listen while you hike. And 10, wear clothing that is fun. We see a lot of people with colorful prints or funny shirts. They make for good conversation and seem to put smiles on people's faces. That is our 10-part series on how to think about your first hike. Click the playlist now if you want to watch the others. And as always, share your photos with us on Instagram at #CampBrood.